Good afternoon everyone. Magandang hapon po Pilipinas. Ako po si Attorney Israelito Pañares Torion. I filed today, this afternoon, a petition for certiorari prohibition with prayer for preliminary injunction and TRO and mandatory injunction as against the respondents in this case. As you can see, Honorable Lucas Bersamin in his capacity as Executive Secretary, Honorable Jesus Crispin Rimulya, Honorable John Vic Rimulya, and Police General Romil Francisco Marbil, Honorable Police Major General Nicolas Torre, and Honorable Menrado Guevara, Honorable Norban Tansinco of the Bureau of Immigration, Honorable Enrique Manalo in his capacity as Secretary of Foreign Affairs, General Romeo S. Browner in his capacity as Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Essentially, what is this petition all about? This is a petition which calls for the respondent to cease from cooperating with the International Criminal Court. On what ground? On the ground based itself on the Rome Statute, Article 127, Paragraph 2, which states that after we have withdrawn from the Rome Statute, Philippines is no longer under the jurisdiction of the ICC. If you note, we already filed our note verbal, and as a matter of fact, our written notice to the United Nations that we are no longer a party to the International Criminal Court as